You sit down, open your editing software, load up the timeline, and suddenly everything goes blank. The ideas that once came so easily, gone. The energy, nowhere to be found. And no matter how long you stare at the screen, nothing sparks. This isn't laziness. It's not a lack of discipline. This is something much deeper. It's creator fatigue. And it sneaks up quietly, then shuts everything down. The worst part, you're not alone. More than 65% of creators hit this wall. Some call it burnout. Others call it creative block. But no matter what you name it, the effect is the same. You stop creating, not because you want to, but because your mind simply can't keep going. But here's the truth nobody tells you. This moment doesn't have to end your journey. Not when you have a backup system, powered by AI, that does the heavy lifting. This isn't about cheating. It's about surviving. About finding your rhythm again when your creativity hits pause. And in the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to do that. There's no time to sugarcoat it. You're a creator. That means your next upload isn't just a file. It's your reputation, your growth, your consistency. But what happens when the energy runs dry? You've probably been there. You post videos every week, maybe even every few days. You've pushed through tight deadlines, rough edits, and performance anxiety. And yet, one day, everything just stops. The motivation's gone, and even opening your editing software feels like climbing a mountain. This script isn't about big theories or fluffy advice. It's a survival guide for those exact moments when you feel like walking away. Because chances are, the problem isn't you, it's the system you're using. Let's fix that, starting now. Step 1. How to pick a topic that actually works. The number one reason creators lose momentum is this. They keep guessing what to make next. And guessing is exhausting. If your idea doesn't already have demand behind it, you're gambling your energy on a topic that might flop. The smarter way. Find proof of interest first. Head to YouTube and visit channels in your niche. Sort their videos by most popular. What are people responding to? What titles are pulling in views like magnets? Don't copy, observe. What themes keep coming back? Which videos got a second or third installment? These are patterns, and patterns are gold. Then take what you learn to AI. Paste a short description of your niche into ChatGPT or GPT-4o. Ask it for 10 trending video ideas. Then go deeper. Say, which of these titles has the strongest emotional pull? Or what would make these more click-worthy? Combine that with your YouTube research and suddenly, you've got validated ideas, not just random guesses. That alone cuts hours of friction out of your workflow. Step 2. Title testing. Protect your time like a pro. Your title is the handshake, the first impression, the pitch. If it doesn't hook someone in 2 seconds, the rest of the video doesn't even matter. This is where creators waste a ton of energy, trying to fix underperforming videos after the fact. But with title testing, you protect your time before you invest it. Take your best title draft and put it to the test. Ask yourself, if I saw this in a sea of viral videos, would I click? If the answer's no, don't just tweak it blindly. Use AI like GPT to analyze your title. Ask it for a breakdown. Does it build curiosity? Does it promise a benefit? Is it emotionally charged? Give it context. Share 2 to 3 top-performing titles from other creators in your space. Let GPT compare. You'll get insights like, this lacks tension, or this could be more specific. Then refine. Small title changes. Adding a number, using a strong adjective, flipping the order, can double your click-through rate. And that's before you even shoot a second of footage. Step 3. Rapid-fire research that builds real value. Creators burn out because they spend too much energy collecting half-useful facts. You bounce between tabs, skim 5 articles, watch a few videos, and still feel like your understanding is shallow. That's where AI becomes your research assistant. Open tools like Perplexity, Gemini, or Claude. Type in your video topic. But don't ask, what is topic? Go deeper. Give me expert insights, statistics from the last 12 months, and real-world case studies related to topic. Ask for opposing opinions. Ask for controversies. Ask for emotional angles. Now you're not just feeding your video with info. You're creating a layered narrative. Data becomes a plot point. A quote becomes the turning moment in your script. Facts are cool, but relevance is what makes people stay. When you ground your points in what's actually happening now, your content instantly feels urgent and alive. Step 4. Write a story, not a list. Ever watched a video packed with value that still felt forgettable? That's because value alone isn't enough. People remember feelings, not bullet points. That's why you need to write like a storyteller, not an instructor. Your script needs rhythm, tension, resolution. Start with a hook that taps into real pain or curiosity. Paint the viewer's problem vividly. Don't say, some creators get stuck. Say, you open your editing software, stare at the screen, and nothing happens. From there, walk them through a solution. 3 main points, max. But make it flow like a journey. Insert a twist midway, a surprising insight or contradiction. Keep your pacing tight, sentences short, then close with clarity. Make them feel like they got something they can use right now. You can use ChatGPT to rough out the structure, but then rewrite it in your own tone. Use phrases you'd actually say out loud. Be human. Be real. Be clear. Burnout isn't the end. It's a signal. Here's the truth. Burnout doesn't mean you're done. It means you're overdue for a system upgrade. The creators who last are the ones who know when to pause, pivot, and protect their creative fire. AI isn't here to steal your spark. It's here to keep it burning, even on the days when your brain can't do the heavy lifting. Use it to find clarity, to stay consistent, to keep showing up when it's hard. Because the world doesn't need more perfect videos. It needs more creators who didn't quit. And now, you've got the tools to be one of them.